departing for southwestern Sullivan County, Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Southern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Tompkinsville to Dixon City to near Old Forge, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, law enforcement. Reports of trees and power lines being blown down continue to be received as this storm moves across Lackawanna County. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include You are listening to Noah Web. Can't take the silence. What is the relationship between them? Well, Joe's going to fill us in a little later here. So. Stars Casino. Stars. There are hundreds of casino games to choose from.
That's for my area.